Okay, on this video we're going to show you guys how to repair your broken Rockband pedal. So you can see the pedal's broken. First things you're going to need is you're going to need some plastic welder, easily available at like AutoZone or any other hardware store. You're going to need self-tapping screws, obviously a screwdriver, and a piece of aluminum or sheet metal. In our case we're using diamond plate. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to take the plastic welder, pour it on some type of paper, and then after it's on there, what you want to do is you want to find something to mix it together. Just like that. You're basically mixing the hardener along with the epoxy. It comes out of two different tubes, obviously, on the plastic welder. Once that's done, what you want to do is you want to go into the Rockband pedal. Obviously we've done it already. What you want to do is, when the pedal's broken, you want to take some, put it in between the pedal, put the two pieces together and hold it tight while it dries. Then you want to take some of the epoxy and also do what we did, put it on top of the surface. Once that's completed, what you want to do is you may want to sand it down just to make sure that the plastic welder is smooth. Okay, we're moving right along here. Once the epoxy dries, what you want to do is you want to lay the pedal flat on top of the sheet metal that you're going to be using. What you want to do is you want to trace the pedal onto the sheet metal. What will happen next is you're going to take, obviously when you remove the pedal, you're going to know exactly where the sheet metal needs to be cut. Okay, as you can see now, the metal has been marked and we're ready to cut. In our case, we'll be using a Dremel tool to cut this. Okay, now that the aluminum is cut, what you want to do is you want to test fit it. You want to put it on top of the pedal to ensure that the actual cuts fit the pedal. The next step is very important. What you want to do is, as you can see, some of the edges are a little bit rough. You want to make sure you grind those edges down as best as possible just to ensure that you don't hurt yourself while playing the game. Okay, now that you smoothed out the edges, what you want to do is you want to mark where the self-tapping screws are going to go. You want to pick different spots, obviously, throughout the aluminum pedal. The more screws, the more support. And now that we have marked the spots, what we're going to do is, obviously, we're going to drill tiny, using the smallest drill bit, we're going to drill holes to make it easy for the screws to actually go through and self-tap into the actual plastic pedal. Okay, now that the pedal's drilled, it is ready to be placed over the pedal and screwed. Another thing that we're going to do is we are going to apply some of the plastic welder or epoxy underneath the bottom part of the metal so that when you place it down and screw it down, it holds it even more secure. Okay, and as you can see on this shot, the epoxy has been laid down and we're ready to place it on top of the Rockband plastic pedal and screw it down. And now you have completed your Rockband pedal. Okay, now you're ready to play Rockband. With this repair, safety gear must be worn, such as goggles, and we only recommend this repair to adults. Thank you.